Hello everyone, and welcome to the Positive People How-Tos. Today we're looking at how to set up a meeting in Teams so you can connect with other people in your organisation by video. Teams is a Microsoft communications app used for sharing ideas, chatting and working collaboratively with other colleagues regardless of your location. If your organisation uses Teams, it will already be installed on your computer, so open it in the usual way. If you're not sure how to do this, you may need to ask your IT support team. It's simple to set up a video call with other people, and you do this via the Teams calendar. Click on the calendar button in the app bar and then click New Meeting button at the top right of the screen. By creating and inviting others to an appointment, Teams will automatically create a link to the video call, which all invitees can access. Calendar appointments can be sent to both internal and external members of Teams, and doesn't require the recipient to have a Microsoft Teams account to access the call. First, add the meeting title. To add attendees, click in the Add Required Attendees and start typing their name. A list of names will appear, so just click on the person you want to invite. Continue adding names until your attendee list is complete. To invite people from outside your organisation, enter their email address to add them to the attendee list. Enter the date and time of the meeting and add repeat times if appropriate. If you want the meeting invite to appear in a particular Teams channel, add the channel name. Leave it blank if you don't want the meeting associated with a channel. You can also add notes or details about the meeting if you wish. Click the Send button at the top right of the screen. This will send email invites to all your meeting participants. That's it, you've now successfully created your first Teams meeting. When it is time for the Teams meeting to take place, you will need to join it. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can join the meeting from the team calendar. Click the calendar button on the app bar. Click on the meeting in your calendar and then click Join button. If you're using Microsoft Outlook, the meeting invite will also be in your Outlook calendar and you can join from there. Your camera and microphone should switch on automatically and you will be able to see and hear other colleagues who have joined the meeting. If the meeting is linked to a Teams channel, you can also join it from there. There are a number of different controls available when you're in the meeting. These are accessed by a control bar which appears if you move the mouse pointer towards the centre of the screen. Starting from the left, the camera button turns your camera on or off. Click on it to turn it off, then click on it again to turn it back on. The next button controls the microphone. Click on it to mute your microphone, click again to unmute. The next button allows you to share your screen with other participants. When you click this, a new sharing pane opens showing all the windows you have open on your computer. Click on the window that you'd like to share so that other participants on the call can see it. If you want to share a document, presentation, etc., make sure you have this open before you start to share. Click the Stop Sharing button when you are done. The three dots represent more actions. When you click them, a new menu appears with further control options. Meeting Notes lets you type notes during the call. Click on it and a separate Meeting Notes panel opens. Click on Take Notes button to start typing notes. When you're done, go back to the Meeting Notes button and click it again to hide the Meeting Notes panel. All notes are saved at the end of the call. To view them after a call, go to the Teams channel that the meeting took place in and click on the Meeting Notes tab at the top of the screen. back to the menu and you'll see an option to blur the camera background. Click on this to blur your background to other meeting participants. Click again to restore it to normal. Lastly, on this menu, we'll look at the Record a Meeting option. Click on Start Recording to make a recording of the meeting. Then click again to stop recording when you have finished. To view a meeting recording after the meeting has finished, view the team channel that the meeting took place in. Locate the meeting in the Content pane, then click the recording. Back to the control bar, and the Show Conversation button allows you to view any meeting conversations. Click on it to chat to other people during the call. The next button along is the Meeting Participants button. This displays the People pane showing details of other participants in the call. To mute a participant, click a participant's More options and then select Mute Participant. The final red button will end the meeting. If you're the meeting host, click it to end the meeting for everyone. If you are a participant, click it to leave the call. And that's it. Everything you need to know to get you started. Check out some of our other helpful how-to guides using the links below. Thanks for watching.